The ultimate guide to lowering cholesterol naturally and quickly. 7 foods to eat. The human liver produces as much cholesterol as the body needs, but factors such as family history, smoking, heavy alcohol consumption, and a sedentary lifestyle may influence these levels. If any of these factors causes high cholesterol levels, your heart health is at risk. Hence, lowering your cholesterol levels as much as possible is best. Moreover, high levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, or bad cholesterol may cause cholesterol deposits to clog your arteries and increase your risk of heart attacks. Thankfully, there are natural and effective ways to reduce your cholesterol levels with foods. In this video, we will talk about 7 specific foods or food groups you should eat to help control and lower your cholesterol naturally and quickly. 1. High-fiber foods. You can never go wrong with high-fiber foods when trying to lower cholesterol naturally and quickly. We recommend foods rich in soluble fiber such as oatmeal, Brussels sprouts, kidney beans, pears, and beans. Oatmeal has a higher soluble fiber content than most foods. Eating oatmeal regularly will help reduce your LDL or bad cholesterol. Soluble fiber can limit your bloodstream's cholesterol absorption, making it an excellent component for lowering cholesterol. Daily, you can decrease your LDL cholesterol with 5 to 10 grams of soluble fiber. A serving of breakfast cereal with oat bran or oatmeal delivers 3 to 4 grams of fiber. Adding fruits such as bananas or berries to your diet can help you even with more fiber. 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish is an excellent food choice for lowering cholesterol levels, thanks to the rich presence of omega-3 fatty acids. These acids can lower your triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood. Omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish may also help reduce your blood pressure. If you have a heart attack, these acids can protect you against sudden death. While omega-3 fatty acids don't influence LDL cholesterol levels, they can help increase your body's high-density lipoprotein, HDL, or good cholesterol, which helps to discard cholesterol from blood vessel walls. This action helps neutralize cholesterol risk factors. Therefore, the American Heart Association recommends eating at least 2 servings of fish per week. You can find the highest levels of omega-3 acids in salmon, tuna, trout, herring, and mackerel. 3. Nuts. Nuts, especially almonds, are great for reducing cholesterol naturally and quickly. They can improve blood cholesterol, boosting your LDL. All nuts contain high levels of calories, so we advise eating only a handful. To lower your risk of a heart attack, you can prioritize walnuts due to their omega-3 fat content. 4. Avocados. Avocados are widely known for containing nutrients, but they're also a good source of monounsaturated fats, which can help increase healthy HDL levels and reduce harmful LDL levels. You can lower your risk of heart disease by adding at least 2 servings of avocado to a heart-healthy diet weekly. You can serve avocado by adding the fruit slices to sandwiches and salads, or eating them as a side dish. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is another food that can help you lower cholesterol naturally. We recommend replacing other fats in your diet with this oil. You can add olive oil to a marinade, mixing it with vinegar to dress a salad, or saute vegetables in it. Olive oil can also substitute for butter as a dip for bread or when basting meat. 6. Whey protein. Dairy products are connected to several health benefits, but whey protein accounts for most of the benefits. These benefits can help in your quest to reduce your cholesterol levels. Some studies show whey protein serving as a supplement reduces LDL and total cholesterol levels. 7. Plant-based foods with stanols and sterols. Stanols and sterols are present in plant-based foods such as fruits and vegetables, vegetable oils, seeds, legumes, nuts, and grain products, including breads and cereals. These foods help block cholesterol absorption, ultimately reducing cholesterol in the body. Orange juice with plant sterols and margarine can lower your LDL. In conclusion, in addition to eating the 7 foods recommended in this video, you should limit your alcohol consumption, smoking, intake of trans fats, and exercise regularly. These healthy practices can help you lower your cholesterol levels naturally and quickly, following our references we used in the creation of this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.